Can you cut glass without a glass cutter? Actually, it can be done with just a cell phone charger or computer charger. Usually, we need to buy a glass cutter to cut glass, but the glass cutter is usually only used once, which is too wasteful. Today, I will teach you a good way to cut glass quickly with a charger. The method is simple. Find a discarded power charger, such as this 12-volt 5-amp one. Let's extend its DC output a bit and attach two clips. Tape these two clips to the output wire, which outputs 12 volts DC, and we'll use the DC charger to make a glass cutter. This is a roll of tin foil tape. This tape conducts electricity. Because we are using electricity to cut, we need to choose a conductive material. Measure the length of the glass to be cut, then cut the tin foil tape to this length. If we are going to cut the glass from this position, put the tape on the surface of the glass. Draw a line at the cutting position and put a clip on it or place it on top of it. The other clip needs to have a battery ready, a regular battery like this one. Each battery has a carbon rod inside, which we pull out and clip onto this clamp. It is then energized for cutting. The clamp is heated along the area where the line is drawn. Because the tin foil itself conducts electricity, it will heat up very high, and we use this method to quickly cut the glass. The carbon rod is very hot, so hold it with the clamp to avoid burning your hands. Gradually burn the tin foil along the drawn lines until you're done. Then break the glass along the seam. It's easy to break the glass by patting it up a bit first. Isn't it easy to cut glass like this? No need to buy a glass cutter, it's simple and practical. Share it with you guys and we will see you in the next installment.